Hello, everyone. Today we are taking you on an exciting journey to discover GitHub Copilot Agent, the revolutionary tool that's reshaping how we code. We'll also show you how to download it and use it efficiently. GitHub Copilot Agent is an AI-powered coding assistant. It doesn't just suggest code. It can execute tasks, debug errors, explain code snippets, and navigate massive code bases. Think of it as a smart, trusted teammate who's always by your side, ready to assist. Important note: because Copilot Agent relies heavily on your system resources, you might experience slowdowns, especially with large projects. That's why we recommend using Visual Studio Code, Insider's Edition. It's lighter, faster, and optimized for experimental features. Even though it's a preview version, it offers a much smoother experience with Copilot Agent. Downloading Copilot Agent is very easy. Open Visual Studio Code, Insiders, go to the Extensions tab, search for GitHub Copilot, and click Install. Once installed, the fun begins. Simply type a clear comment describing what you need, and Copilot will instantly generate the matching code. Here, I'm asking it to create a function to add two numbers, and as you can see, Copilot completes the code perfectly. But that's not all. You can also ask Copilot to explain certain parts of your code, or even help you debug errors directly. GitHub Copilot is available through subscription, starting at $10 per month for individuals or $100 per year. For businesses, the cost is around $19 per user per month. Today, coding is no longer just about writing lines of code. It's about true collaboration between humans and artificial intelligence to create the future. GitHub Copilot Agent is the perfect partner for every developer who dreams of building faster, smarter, and more creatively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content.